Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Asha Deepti. Both my kids are at Skillstar School. To be more specific, my daughter Riha is in the school since day one of Skillstar got established. When I walked into the school for the first time and approached Mr. Anu Perabelli sir, that was during the time of COVID. I was very much impressed with the way he had great vision, passion in establishing an IB school at Warangal. So I was really impressed. Then I could meet Mrs. Sonal, ma'am, principal of the school. She already has a very great experience with the IB schools. So starting few days were online. Though it was online, even during the lockdown, they made sure we all get all the task sheets online. So even we can take those papers print out, or if it is not approachable to the other kinds of parents, they were sending to nearby bus stops these task sheets. So we should collect those task sheets, attend the online classes, and again they come back to these bus points, pick up these task sheets. That was a very wonderful approach in the beginning of the year. That's the way even my parents were impressed with the school, and even my parents shared their feedback that you have to go ahead with the school. Then immediately I joined my second kid also. Every year the school designed the academic calendar very well. In the beginning of the year itself, we parents have an orientation program which will be explained very well how they are going to improve academically every year. Not only into the academics, we do have a very huge campus over here, very well equipped sports also, swimming. As a parent, other than academics also, we have an interest in extracurricular activities also. So the school designed every year very well, name it as art, music, dance. So everything goes on. This year I remember that art exhibition was also conducted in the beginning of the academic year. Even a parent community can come go through this exhibition, and so we can have the great vision of what they are going through. They'll have the track of every kid throughout the year. Maybe according to the academics or anything. These facilitators work so hard, and they keep developing new strategies according to the student. Academic fest, parent-teacher meetings, everything goes on systematically. And there is a Toddle Bolke, there is an app also. Everything is approachable with any kind of name it facilitator, or even a 4th class employee also. If we are approachable with everyone. Coming to the transport also, my kids are actually into the transport also. So I was so much worried about this transportation. They have good number of quality standard buses, and the drivers are very well experienced. We have a GPS tracking also, and experienced helper also in the bus. They never rush from a bus point. They wait for the kids to get into the bus. They make sure every student get into the bus, and they get dropped very safely at the bus point. Because I am a working parent, I used to be worried about this, and this has also gained confidence in me. So every year, name it a slumber party, everything, they organize it very well. Everything seems organized. So my both kids are into this school since the beginning of Skillstar School. I have to tell, we are proud parents of Skillstar. Thank you.